Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Weight loss drugs, shedding pounds with science's help. While not exactly a groundbreaking invention of 2024, weight loss drugs have continued to evolve in recent years, offering new options for those struggling with obesity and weight management. This video delves into the world of prescription weight loss medications, exploring their mechanisms, effectiveness, and role in a comprehensive weight loss plan. Understanding the landscape. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has approved several medications for long-term weight loss. These drugs work in various ways, targeting different aspects of the body's weight regulation system. Glucagon-like peptide-1, GLP-1, receptor agonists. These injectables, like semaglutide, Wegovy, and liraglutide, Saxenda, mimic a natural gut hormone that promotes satiety and blood sugar control, leading to reduced calorie intake. Appetite suppressants. Medications like phentermine topiramate, Q-Samiah, and naltrexone bupropion, Contrave, work by influencing appetite hormones and brain chemicals, curbing cravings and hunger. Lipase inhibitors. Orlistat, Xenical, Ali, is a unique drug that blocks the absorption of some dietary fat, promoting fat excretion. There are several mechanisms by which weight loss drugs work. Some, like liraglutide, Saxenda, and semaglutide, Wegovy, are glucagon-like peptide-1, GLP-1, receptor agonists. GLP-1 is a natural hormone that helps regulate appetite and blood sugar. By mimicking its effects, these drugs increase feelings of fullness and decrease cravings. Others, like phentermine topiramate, Q-Samiah, combine stimulants with appetite suppressants. Phentermine increases energy expenditure, while topiramate reduces hunger pangs. Bupropion naltrexone, Contrave, works differently. Bupropion affects brain chemicals involved in mood and reward, while naltrexone reduces cravings for both food and alcohol. Effectiveness of weight loss drugs. Prescription weight loss drugs, when combined with a healthy diet and exercise program, can be a powerful tool for weight management. Studies show these medications can help individuals lose 5 to 10% of their body weight over a year, which can translate to significant health improvements. Weight loss drugs are not for everyone. They are typically prescribed for individuals with a body mass index, BMI, exceeding 30, obese, or over 27, overweight, with weight-related health problems like diabetes or high blood pressure. It's crucial to consult a doctor to determine if these medications are right for you. It's important to note, weight loss drugs are not a magic bullet. They can have side effects, such as nausea, constipation, and dry mouth. It's crucial to consult a doctor to determine if these medications are right for you and to monitor your progress closely. Additionally, these drugs are typically not covered by insurance unless you have specific health conditions like type 2 diabetes. Weight loss drugs are not a magic bullet. They come with potential side effects, and some may not be suitable for everyone. Consulting a doctor is crucial to determine if these medications are right for you and to discuss potential risks and benefits. Here are some key considerations. Eligibility. Typically, these medications are prescribed for individuals with a body mass index, BMI, above 30, obese, or above 27, overweight, with weight-related health conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Side effects. Depending on the medication, side effects can include nausea, constipation, headaches, and fatigue. In some cases, more serious side effects are possible. Long-term use. The long-term effects of some newer medications are still being studied. Regular doctor monitoring is essential. Beyond the pill. A holistic approach for sustainable weight loss. Prescription medications should be integrated into a healthy lifestyle. This includes diet. A balanced, calorie-controlled diet that prioritizes whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein is key. Exercise. Regular physical activity, even moderate amounts, boosts metabolism and helps burn calories. Behavior modification. Addressing underlying factors that contribute to weight gain, such as stress or emotional eating, can be crucial for long-term success. The future of weight loss drugs. The field of weight loss medications is constantly evolving. New drugs are being developed with potentially even greater efficacy and fewer side effects. Additionally, research is exploring combination therapies that target different aspects of weight regulation for a more comprehensive approach. Talking to your doctor. If you are struggling with weight loss, a conversation with your doctor is the first step. They can assess your individual needs, discuss the risks and benefits of weight loss drugs, and help you develop a personalized plan for achieving your weight loss goals and improving your overall health. The future of weight loss drugs. The field of weight loss drugs is constantly evolving. New medications like tirzepatide, Zepbound, show promise, impacting multiple hormones involved in appetite regulation and blood sugar control. Research on drugs targeting other aspects of weight management, like gut bacteria and fat metabolism, is also ongoing. Researchers are exploring drugs that target different pathways in the body that regulate weight, metabolism, and gut health. Combination therapies that address multiple factors contributing to obesity are also being investigated. Weight loss medications are a valuable tool in the fight against obesity. When used appropriately, they can help people achieve and maintain a healthy weight, leading to improved overall health and well-being. However, it's important to remember that these medications work best alongside a healthy lifestyle. Talk to your doctor to see if weight loss drugs might be a good fit for your weight management journey. Weight loss drugs, a tool, not a cure. Prescription weight loss drugs can be a valuable tool for those struggling to shed pounds. However, they are most effective when combined with a healthy diet and exercise program. Consulting with a doctor is essential to determine if these medications are right for you and to develop a safe and sustainable weight loss plan. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.